Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are sentences which gives information. They do not ask questions. For example, I like oranges. Interrogative sentences. These sentences ask questions. They usually start with a helping verb. For example, do you like apples? Where do you live? I live in Berlin. Do you live in Berlin? Did you call me? Yes, I called you. Did I call you? How do you go to work? I go by bus. Do you go by bus? Who is your professor? Mr. Alex is my professor. Is Mr. Alex your professor? What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Do you sleep at 10 p.m.? Are you feeling cold? Yes, I'm feeling cold. Am I feeling cold? What are you doing? I'm reading. Are you reading? How is the weather? The weather is nice. Is the weather nice? Where did you go? I went to the market. Did you go to the market? What do you want? I want some water. Do you want some water? What time is it? It is 6 a.m. Is it 6 a.m. now? How was your day? My day was good. Was your day good? Where are you going? I'm going to the park. Are you going to the park? What did you buy? I bought some groceries. Did you buy some groceries? When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. Is your birthday in May? Who told you this? My manager told this. Did your manager tell you? How old are you? I am 21 years old. Are you 21 years old? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you wake up at 6 a.m.? Where do you stay? I stay in Paris. Do you stay in Paris? Who is sitting next to you? My friend is sitting next to me. Is your friend sitting next to you? Why are you late? I am late because of traffic. Are you late because of traffic? How many languages do you speak? I speak 4 languages. Do you speak 4 languages? Who called you yesterday? My sister called me yesterday. Did your sister call you yesterday? How far is your office? My office is 10 kilometers away. Is your office 10 kilometers away? How many brothers do you have? I have 3 brothers. Do you have 3 brothers? When did you arrive? I arrived at 7 p.m. Did you arrive at 7 p.m.? Which color do you like? I like red color. Do you like red color? How much is it? This cost $700. Does this cost $700? Which subject do you like? I like chemistry. Do you like chemistry? Which sport do you play? I play basketball. Do you play basketball? Who is at the door? My friend is at the door. Is your friend at the door? How often do you exercise? I exercise every day. Do you exercise every day? What is this? This is a book. Is this a book? How tall are you? I'm 6 feet 2 inches tall. Are you 6 feet 2 inches tall?